Of course, you can also choose to have your grades emailed to you. You must establish a day and a time with your tutor. Social psychology has been considered by human behavior. Geography is generally divided into two branches: human and physical.
Any texts or references you make should be cited appropriately in the footnotes. The other book is not thorough, but it's more insightful. Efforts are being made to reduce harmful emissions. We were able to contact a number of researchers. Some people argue that education is not that important. I will come back to this point in a minute. There's clearly a need for further research in this field. There's still many students struggling in the lab. A good scientific paper should have clear arguments. Please confirm that you have received the textbook. The assessment of the course will begin next week. Science is found in society all around the world. The introduction is an important component of a good presentation. The undergraduates need some specific sources to analyze a program. Some people believe that education should be free for all. The architectural numbers vary in that experiment. The course will help students to improve their pronunciation skills. Geography is generally divided into two branches: human and physical. The bar chart provides useful means of data comparison. The courses cover the several aspects of the subject. This course provides the opportunity to get valuable industry experience. Without doubt, this theory has a number of limitations. This course is very integrated because it has several parts. Our medical school students must attend a talk about optional courses. This camera can identify eyes and focus on them. There are new innovations in the field of digital architecture. The new theory takes all the latest research results into account. The ways in which people communicate are constantly changing.
Weather patterns have changed significantly over the past 200 years. An undergraduate is required to do many projects. Students should take advantage of the online resources before attending the lecture. There are opportunities to receive the grants from most artistic fields. It would be extremely beneficial to work together. Industrial experts will discuss job opportunities in an automatic labor force. Today's history lecture has been moved to lecture theater. Growing population has posed a challenge to many governments. Ladies have the popular forms of entertainments throughout the world. A balanced diet and regular exercise are necessary for good health. Science Library is currently located on the ground floor of the library. The new art gallery can only be visited on Fridays. Take the first step to apply for your university scholarship.
There's an hourly bus service from the campus into town. I think we should get together over the weekend to discuss this assignment. The library will be closed for 3 days over the bank holiday weekend. You don't have to be on Professor Smith's course to attend this lecture. The seminar will now take place a week on Tuesday.